Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stoughton, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Watertown, Stoughton, McFarland, Monona, Lake Mills, Marshall, Waterloo, Cottage Grove, Johnson Creek, Deerfield, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lebanon, Milford, Reevesville, Utica, Richwood, Clyman, and Lowell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe